15 वर्सां पुराय जाल्ल्यो गाडी स्क्रॅप करची म्हण केंद्र सरकारान अधिसुचोवणी दिल्या तसो आदेशूय काडला। गाडयो स्क्रॅप करपाची सुविधा स्थापन करपा खातीर अजून जमीन निवडिल्ली ना। सुरवेक आमी 15 वर्सां पुराय केल्ली सरकारी वाहनां स्क्रॅप करतले। हेरिटेज गाडयांक वेगळो कायदो आसा म्हण येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होन म्हायती दिल्या। RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
सेंटरान नोटिफाय केला, आमकां आदेशूय दिला 15 इयर्स व्हेकल जे आसा ते स्क्रॅप करपा जाय म्हणून। लँड इज येट टू बी आयडेंटिफायड एंड नोबडी हॅज सो फार कम फॉरवर्ड। We have asked people to give EOI, expression of interest. Once we publish that EOI, we will who is on board and where we can locate them. There is also a misconception that scrapping of vehicle is going to lead to a lot of pollution, this, that. Nowadays, there are measures which are being undertaken to even control the pollution as a consequence of scrapping of the vehicle. Everything is reused and reusable. We have to understand that. Number one. Number two, why scrapping of vehicle is being done? Because the pollution on the road will be less when there are 15-year-old vehicle, 20-year-old vehicle. Pollution चड असता न्ही, pollution कमी कसो करतलो? नवी गाडी जाल्यार तितले pollution आसना, तेका लागून we have to scrap the old vehicles as per the central government policy. Starting, for starters, we are going to scrap government run more than 15 years this. Even Kadamba has already been instructed. That's how we have to replace so many buses. We are conscious of that and we are doing it.
Sir, what about a heritage vehicle?
No, heritage vehicle, there is a different law altogether. Vintage car, there is a different law under which means they don't have to be scrapped.
सर अनेक लोकांच्या शरीरात डिझेल गाडीवर जे ट्रक बी आसा ते पहिले बॅन करताले मागीर खंय तरी पेट्रोल गाडयेचे फोवले
No. Moment it is 15-year-old, there is no distinction. Petrol or diesel, it has to be scrapped as per the new policy. आणि आम्ही स्टार्ट करतानाच आमकां आदेश येयला की गव्हर्नमेंट व्हेकल पहिले कर म्हणून स्क्रॅप करपा जाय म्हणून. यू कॅनॉट सी दॅट दे आर ऑन द रोड्स.
प्रमोशन ऑफ CNG will be done. CNG
Alternate fuels, obviously, promotion has to be done, whether it is on CNG or electrical vehicle, battery operated. You have to do
But
that.
you all are talking about electric vehicles and promoting and all, but at the same time, you care about this solution of charging points. कितले पॉइंट मिळवता एका टायमार तर इवन द पावर मिनिस्टर हॅड सेड इट इज नॉट फिजिबल ऑफ चार्जिंग
I
पॉइंट्स
agree.
ह्यूज कॉस्ट
I know charging points have to be there. As I said earlier, whether the chicken came first or the egg came first. Once enough electrical vehicles are there, obviously, automatically, your charging stations are bound to come up and they will come. We are ourselves, as a government, we have identified several places where we are going to have the charging stations.
सर एकूच ज्याचे प्रायव्हेट व्हेकल्स आहा खूप जणांचे अशे व्हेकल्स असतात की ते व्हेरी रेअरली चलयतात म्हणजे पोल्युशन 15 वर्सां तरी जाल्ली ती गाडी त्यांची एकदम बरी असता सो त्यांच्या बद्दल काही जावचें नाका म्हणटा
पळय रूल आहा तो 15 वर्सांचो. गाडी कितली बरी दवरली म्हणून आमकां ते बदल करपाक मेळना. Let us be very clear on this. These are exceptions to the rule, but we can't. That is the law.
जागो आयडेंटिफाय केलो
नाका, we are in the process बाबा. Because फाल्यां तुमचेच माध्यमसून येतले हिंगा पोल्युशन जावपाचें आसा, हिंगा घालपाचें ना, परत जातलें न्हू. सो तेका लागून वी हॅव टू, इट हॅज टू बी अ carefully calibrated decision, carefully thought out location. All that we have to see.
When we expected this implementation, sir?
ASAP.